Are you ready to elevate your gaming experience without breaking the bank? Meet the PC Gold Treasure Box RGB Dell desktop computer, a powerhouse of performance and style designed to take your gaming and productivity to the next level. This certified refurbished gem packs a punch with its Intel Quad-Core 1.5 processor, up to 3.6 GHz, 16 GB DDR3 RAM, and a blazing fast 512 GB SSD for seamless multitasking and storage. But that's not all. This sleek tower comes loaded with features like a 22-inch 1080p FHD LED display, RGB gaming keyboard and mouse, and even an RGB soundbar to immerse you in every moment. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, and a DVD drive, it's perfect for gaming, work, or entertainment. Brand name: Dell. Operating system: Windows 10 Pro CPU model. Core i5 CPU speed, 3.2 GHz, cache size, 6 MB, graphics card description, dedicated, graphics coprocessor, integrated, memory storage capacity, 512 GB, specific uses for product, gaming, personal computer design type, computer tower, standing screen display size, 22 inches, screen resolution, 1920 by 1080 pixels processor, 3.2 GHz Core Wi-Fi RAM, 16 GB DDR3, graphics coprocessor, integrated, chipset brand, Intel, wireless type, 802.11X, item model number, Optiplex, item weight, 25.5 pounds, product dimensions, 17.55 x 4.52 x 14.67 inches, computer memory type, DDR3 SDRAM, hard drive interface, solid state, optical drive type, DVD. About this item: this certified refurbished product is tested and certified to look and work like new. The refurbishing process includes functionality testing, basic cleaning, inspection, and repackaging. The product ships with all relevant accessories, a minimum 90-day warranty, and may arrive in a generic box. Only select sellers who maintain a high-performance bar may offer certified refurbished products on Amazon.com. The right bullet points: PC Gold Treasure Box RGB Dell Desktop PC, Intel Quad-Core i5 up to 3.6 GHz, 16 GDDR3, 512 G SSD DVD, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Includes USB keyboard and mouse, Microsoft Office 30 days free trial. Ports: back, 2, USB 3, 0, 2, USB 2, 0, HDMI, VGA, RJ45, 10 101,000 Ethernet, 3 stack audio jacks supporting 5.1 surround sound front, 2, USB 2, 0, mic, and headphone jacks. Operating system: Windows 10 Pro 64-bit, multi-language, supports English/Spanish/French. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.